Okay guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So I've been keeping you up to date on my Versastack system here. We did a review on this 216 piece tool set. We did a review or an overview on this 2-drawer setup. I went to Lowe's today, couldn't help myself. I saw this radio, job site radio, on sale. I guess it's on clearance for $49. While I was there, I said, let's use this 10% coupon code that I had. If you guys don't know how to get 10% coupons at Lowe's, I'll put a link in the description. Gotta always use that. I use a 10% code on this. It did not work on that one, unfortunately, but it did work on this. These are on, not on sale, but for sale for $89. I think they're always $89. I used a 10% off to get about $9 off. I was actually just going to start by just getting this bottom part right here, put these on top of it. But honestly, just this piece is $60 by itself. So why spend $60 just on that piece when for $90 you can get this one, for $30 more you get this one and this one. I think this is over $30 by itself right here. This is another $21, $22. So you're basically getting this parts organizer for free. I already have 2 of these. You could always use these organizers here. So I just wanted to give you an overview on this kind of, I don't know what you'd call it, I guess a Versastack starter setup. As stated in previous videos, I'm replacing this thing right here. I've been using this thing for a while and I absolutely despise it. It's constantly tipping over in the back of my truck. I'm just already invested into the Craftsman system. So I started a Versastack kit, and this is what I have so far. This thing was an awesome deal for $49. I'm going to put up a separate video, I think, just as a review of that job site radio. Let me know if you'd like to see that in the comment section down below. But let's start with this. Let's start with this starter kit here for the Versastack setup. So as stated in other videos, I'm a DIY guy. I'm not a professional. I don't really go on job sites. So this is just for hobbies, for do-it-yourself sort of projects, stuff like that. As stated, I already have 2 of these, but this I will be using for small bolts and nuts and stuff like that for my boat. I do need a mobile setup going down to my boat. It's about an hour away, so that is going to be very helpful. I think these are rated, it has a IP54 waterproof or water resistant rating. There's plenty of other videos on these organizers, but I like it. I like the 2 that I have. I use them to hold like, you know, kind of like home kit screws and stuff like that. They're pretty good. I mean, is it Milwaukee pack out good? No, but like I said, that would be too much for me, or overkill for me. So I think everyone knows how the Versastack setup works. You have these 2 latches, one on each side, and it just pulls right off right there. Now we can get to the middle setup here. It's a pretty good size. You open it, it has this tray here for hand tools and whatnot. It comes with these things here. These are labels, like blank labels, because you can take this out. See if I can get it out one-handed. I'm not sure I can. Whatever, I'll leave it as is for now, but you can just pop this with a flathead screwdriver and you label whatever is in this Versastack box. I'll do that at a later time, but just show you the inside of this again. You could take this tray out. I can give you the measurements of this. So the measurements inside this middle box here, you got 11 inches this way, and it's about, let's say it's about 9 inches deep, and the width is about 16 1/4. So it's pretty spacious. It's a pretty good size. I saw a couple videos on what these kind of things are for, and I think that they said that the Craftsman V20 Chargers can fit in there. I have one sitting right here, so let's test this out right now. So here's the charger that I have. I don't really use this thing too much, but let's see if there's any sort of way to fit this in. Goes right like that. I like that. That's pretty good. And I guess you could put one on the other side as well. I will probably be putting some power tools in here. So it's good to know that, I mean, that's a good setup. I mean, I would like to see some sort of way that it's secured on, but I guess that wouldn't really be going anywhere with the lid down and stuff like that. All right, so it's good to know that that works. The latches are a pretty good quality, metal latches. It does say proudly made in the USA with global materials. Big asterisk there, but I like the metal latches on this, especially when comparing to the trade stack. I was kind of looking at the trade stack a little bit. The trade stack has some better features, I would say, and it's definitely bigger, but plastic latches, I don't know. So we'll take the Versastack latches off and we'll go onto the bottom unit here. This bottom unit is pretty big. It has a handle on the back, a telescoping handle on the back here. You push this and it goes up. Pretty good. And another thing I like about this as well, I believe, is that if you unlatch this, it looks like it's connected to the handle. So let's see if we open this. Yeah, it looks like it kind of moves back with it, which is good. So this is a good size box here. It has another tray. I'll get that out of the way. This is a pretty good size. Let's see if we can measure this. The width of this is about 19 inches. The depth of it is about 12 3/4, just under 13. Here it gets a little bit bigger in the edges here, and the depth you're looking at it's about 12 inches on the depth. Really a pretty good size. I definitely think it's going to work for what I'm looking for. I wanted to show you kind of what I think the layout is going to be when I add in the tool set and the 2-drawer setup. Let's see what that looks like. And we'll put the middle piece. Actually, I think that this, with all the tools in there, it would be pretty top heavy, I think. So let's try those in the middle. Let's try these in the middle. We'll latch that on. Okay. And then let's see if we could put this on the top. How do I like that? We'll put this like that. And then we could even put this on top. What do you think? I think that's pretty good. You'll be able to get this off very easily, and you have access. You could open it right from the top. If you need to get into here, all you need to take off is this piece. All of these are drawers. This drawer is holding up pretty well. You know, there's no weight other than just the boxes in here yet. It should be interesting to see if there's any sort of like bending or creasing or anything like that where it makes it harder to use, but it looks okay right now. If it doesn't take the weight all that well, I'll just go back to putting this on the bottom here and put these on top of that. But that is it for this video. I kind of just wanted to give an overview of what I think. Have yet to use this, but hopefully as the weather gets a little bit warmer in a couple of months from now here in New Jersey, I'll be going down, working on the boat a little bit, and we'll keep you posted on how it's turning out for me. But other than that, appreciate you guys checking into the channel again. Thanks for watching my video. Let me know what you think about the Versastack system in the comment section down below. If you like these this Versastack overview sort of video that I keep putting up, you know, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, really helps me out. I'm at Lowe's all the time. I've always loved Craftsman tools since I was a little kid. It's not the same as it used to be, but I figured if I'm going to Lowe's all the time, I may as well provide some value to the people on YouTube. But other than that, appreciate it, and until next time.